Welcome back, everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today we are going to be participating in Debbie's Kitchen's first day of winter collab, and it's an open collaboration. You make a casserole or soup and put it up today. I'm making a couple changes in this recipe. We're making the Ritz Cracker Chicken Casserole. And you'll need 1/4 cup of butter. You'll need 3 cups of, it says fresh broccoli florets, but we've got frozen. And I'm not going to put this on all of the casserole because not everybody in the family likes broccoli. You'll also need 1/2 cup of onion, a tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, 1 cup of broth, chicken broth. This is my home can. 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. 1 container of the cream cheese spread, the onion and chive. You'll need 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 2 cups of rotisserie chicken. Or you can boil you a chicken, or if you have leftover chicken, also canned chicken if you have it. The recipe calls for 1 package, a 10-ounce package of white rice frozen. I don't have no frozen rice, so I just made some, and it's about 1½ cups. And then you'll need 2 cups of coarsely crushed Ritz crackers. This was about 1½ sleeves, and I have the off-brand Ritz cracker. Okay, first you need to put your oven on 350 and then spray an 8x8 baking dish. I've only got half the butter in here. You just need the 2 tablespoons, and I'm going to put the onion. It says to put the broccoli in with the onion, but I'm going to cook the broccoli over here by itself because not everybody likes broccoli. I love broccoli, and you could leave it out probably, but I really like broccoli, so I'll leave it in. Okay, I'm going to cook this till it's tender, about 3 to 4 minutes, and I'll be back. Okay, now I'm going to add the garlic and cook that about 30 to 60 seconds. Now I'm going to pour in the broth. The Dijon mustard. I'm going to kind of just guess at it. Then I'm going to stir in the cream cheese spread. Mix in the salt and the pepper. We're going to mix this till this melts up. Now I'm going to add the rice and the chicken and then mix that up good. Now you just transfer this into your 8x8 baking dish. We'll be back whenever we get all that in there. Okay, now we're going to put our crackers in a bowl, and the other 2 tablespoons of butter you need to melt and pour over top of the cracker crumbs. Now we're just going to stir them together. Okay, now I'm going to put some of the broccoli on just my part here. Okay. And then you put your cracker crumbs on top. Now you bake this in the oven for about 25 minutes, and we'll be back when it comes out. Here it is out of the oven. We'll plate it up.
Boy, this looks good, folks. Let's give it a try. That is very good. Hold on, let me get an earth bite. Very good.
I'd like to thank Debbie on Debbie's Kitchen for hosting the collaboration. It's the first day of Winter Collab. It's an open collaboration. We'll have her channel in the description below. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.